know the art field. You want to tell me what you want to speak on.
It's a proper professional setup. They got all the right kind of system. Thank you for coming here. They, not the side, there are a number of people who have tried this, but I think there is, I would say, a lot more professional. It's a lot more structured.
And so, you know, so I really like two of the things here you mentioned. One is the non-restricted business. Do your prayer. Get out. That's the side. Crying. I'm sure shows up faith as the Imam to give Nasiya.
So you have an issue that have Dr. Michelle, but it's also
but that is for the real highly respectable personality. At the same time, then we the contract industries, businesses will support of dementia, and they've been working on some technologies like